Hello, good morning friends. Okay, today's our topic is based on complex number and complex system. Okay, right, and this is topic of BSc of semester 5 and it is also used for engineering mathematics like complex number and partial differential equation of semester 4, and it is on the semester 5 in BSc branch, and its subject name is maths MAT underscore CC underscore 506, and the credit of this subject is 4 as per MKBU. Right? Okay, what is complex system? Okay, in complex system there are various types of topics. What is De Moivre theorem, what is Taylor series, and what is Lorentz series, then what is differentiability, then what is partial differentiability, okay, then what is harmonic function, what is analytic function. These are different types of elements which we will cover in complex system. Okay, and today's our topic is what is De Moivre theorem, that was, and then what is angle, what is mode, what is modulus, and then how we will find root of that equation. This is my main topics of this lecture. Right? Okay, what is De Moivre theorem? Okay, this is main formula of De Moivre theorem. Okay, this is formula of De Moivre theorem. Right? R into cos theta plus I sin theta means cos theta plus I sin theta, and we can also say that cos theta plus I sin theta equal to cis theta, CIS and then theta, okay, raised to n equal to, okay, whole square of n. Then we can separate is r raised to n and cos theta plus I sin theta raised to n. This is my main formula. Right? Okay, this is my main formula. Okay, then this is, okay, let's give example. Okay, cos theta plus I sin theta raised to 3. okay, so આ ત્રણ પાવર છે, એ ત્રણ પાવર અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે થીટા જોડે. ઓકે, ધીસ પાવર મીન્સ there is 3 power of 3 of this element, then it will multiply to angle. Okay, so cos theta plus I sin theta raised to 3 equal to cos 3 theta plus I sin theta. Okay, then we can say that cos theta plus I sin theta raised to 5. Okay, then we can say that cos 5 theta plus I sin 5 theta. Okay, then this is main. If I will take n equal to minus 2, cos theta plus I sin theta raised to minus 2, then I will multiply to theta cos minus 2 theta plus I sin minus 2 theta. Okay, so you must know that cos is even function, so cos minus theta equal to also cos theta, and cos minus 2 theta equal to cos 2 theta. But if I have sin minus theta, then sin means negative sign will come out, so sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta, cos sin is odd function, so we can say that cos minus 2 theta equal to cos 2 theta, and sin minus 2 theta is equal to minus sin 2 theta, so minus will come out. Right? Okay, then what is modulus and what is argument? Let's see. Okay, in complex system, okay, like 2D and 3D, if I have a two form, then ij, okay, I have in 3 direction, then ij and k, so z is equal to x plus iy, and if I will find modulus, mod z equal to under root x square plus y square. Okay, then angle, this is modulus, this is formula of modulus. Okay, mod z equal to this is my modulus. Right? Okay, mod z equal to, what is mod z? Mod z equal to under root x square plus y square. Okay, if I have 2 plus 3i, okay, then x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, then under root of x 2 square plus 3 square is equal to my mod z. Right? Then angle, what is angle? Angle is one type of slope. Tan theta equal to y upon x, so theta equal to tan inverse y upon x. This is my argument form, theta equal to tan inverse y upon x. Right? Okay, so z equal to, if I have 4 quadrant, plus plus minus plus minus minus plus minus. Okay, so if I have x plus iy, then angle will be tan inverse y upon x. Okay, right. Then if I have form in minus x plus iy, then theta equal to pi minus tan inverse y upon x. If I am in third quadrant, means minus x minus iy. Okay, then theta equal to tan inverse mod y upon x. Then if z is equal to x minus iy, okay, then theta equal to minus tan inverse mod y upon x. Minus will be implement in x minus iy. This is most important. Okay, it will not come in your any type of book, so please note down this, right? Okay, find the modulus and argument of this number, complex number. Okay, what is modulus, what is argument, we have already seen that. Okay, and the system is minus 3 plus I, so I will convert into form x plus iy. So x is equal to, what will x? Minus 3, and what is y? Equal to 1i. If there is no element and only I, so y equal to 1, right? Then z is equal to minus 3 plus I, so it is considered as x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 1. And if I will find modulus of z, so mod z equal to under root x square plus y square. Okay, so minus root 3 square plus 1 square. So 3 plus 1 under root 4 equal to 2. This is my answer of modulus, right? And it is based on this formula, right? Okay, and then what is argument? In argument system, right, it will consider as a quadrant form, means angle will be different as different quadrant. Okay, right? First quadrant 0 to 19, then 19 to 180, then 180 to 270, and 270 to 360, right? Okay, then find the argument of this complex number, and the complex number is 2 minus 7i. This is my complex number, so this is x, 2, and minus 7 is y. Z is equal to a plus by over x plus iy. Okay, right? So x is equal to or z is equal to, you can also convert in a plus bi or x plus iy. There is no any problem, right? So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 7. Okay, then find theta, minus theta cos based on this formula, plus or minus, then minus. Okay, minus will be come out. Okay, minus 7 by 2 minus tan inverse 7 by 2, so theta equal to minus 1.29, and please calculate radians. So okay, then this is also a format of this, you can also process on this, right? Okay, cause it is in fourth quadrant, right? Okay, quadrant is here. Okay, first quadrant, this is first quadrant, then second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. This type of sum is this. Okay, then find what is principal argument. Okay, what is principal argument means angle. Okay, what is argument, what is principal argument, what is angle, what is log, all meaning are same, right? Okay, then the question is find the principal argument of this minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 root 3i. Here a equal to minus 2, or x is equal to minus 2, or y is equal to minus 2 root 3. Okay, so convert it into x plus iy format. So you can say that this is in third quadrant, minus minus. Okay, then convert into pi minus theta. So based on this formula, third quadrant. Okay, there is no any types of process, tan inverse mod y by x. You can straightly answer this, right? And it is in third quadrant. Then you can also convert like this, theta minus pi. You can also check this theta, this is minus theta, there is no change. Sorry, you can also change in this process. Okay, if it is in third quadrant, okay, means minus minus, then process from theta minus pi. And if it is in second quadrant, okay, then pi minus theta. And if it is in fourth quadrant, only there is minus. It is most important process, right? We can take complex number as given is z is equal to x plus iy. Okay, this is basic formula. You also know that it's polar form is x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Okay, so we can also convert is z is equal to r cos theta plus I r sin theta. Okay, right. Okay, then this is what is how you will plot this. Okay, minus plus, so it is in second quadrant. Okay, and if it is in second quadrant, then you can also calculate angle like pi minus theta. Okay, right. Okay, the what is angle? Okay, what just calculate angle. Okay, based on x plus iy, then it will be pi by 6, and pi minus pi by 6, it will be 5 pi by 6. You just consider this theta, pi minus theta, theta minus 5, and minus theta. Now you will get this answer, right? Okay, please work on this. Okay, this is default based de Moivre's theorem, and it is also in MKBU form. Okay, and it is most important process. What is de Moivre theorem, then what is modulus, and what is argument. Okay, then please read this PPT. Okay, I will send you a PPT format, and also hello. Okay, I will also convert it into PDF format and give this to your mail. Okay, then this is my first lecture, right? Complex system, then de Moivre's theorem. Please solve this type of sum from your books, then modulus and arguments. If you have no books, then I will also send you some other types of material which will be considered in your subject. This is your first topic of your math syllabus of 506, and it is most important for further use like CMAT exam or MSc entrance exam or in IIT or SUNIT or NIRMA. Okay, please consider this total process and work on it, and if any types of doubt, then you can also mail or call me. I will also give your a number, then you can ask me any types of query. Okay, thank you.